Alhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Learn Tajweed the easy way, lesson 9b, in which we will practice Sirat al-Ladhina an'amta alayhim. What is Tajweed? To recite the Quran nicely. How? By taking care of makharij and sifat and other rules of recitation. Qawaid. So let us take Sirat al-Ladhina an'amta alayhim. Sirata. Si is very thick and high. Si. And Ra is thick. This is thin. This is thick. Ra. And Ta, very thick and high. So repeat after me. Si, 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 Ra, 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 Ta, 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 Ta. Let's read the word now. While reading the word or while doing tilawah, you will not use TPI signs. Okay. So repeat. Sirata, 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 Sirat al-Ladhina. It is not al-Lazina. You have to put the tip of the tongue to the edge of upper teeth. Okay, touch it. Al-Ladhina, 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 Sirat al-Ladhina, Sirat al-Ladhina, Sirat al-Ladhina, Sirat al-Ladhina. Let's take the second part now. An'amta alayhim. An. Should be very clear. It's not anamta. It's not anamta. No. An-amta. So let us practice the syllables separately as per Tajweed tip number 3. An. 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 Am. 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 Let's take the word now. But before doing that, let us use the tip number 4. That is, bring the syllables of the word closer step by step after you get the control of makharij and sifat. So let us read them separately. An, am, ta. An, am, ta. An, am, ta. An, am, ta. Bring them a little closer. An, am, ta. An, am, ta. An'amta, An'amta. Now let's read the word An'amta, 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 An'amta. Alayhim. Don't say alayhim. Ayn should be clear and it's not lay. It is lay. Okay, you don't say Dubai. You say Dubai. So it is lay. Okay, repeat after me. Lay, lay, lay. Lay. Let's read the word now. Alayhim, 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 alayhim. Let's read the two together. An'amta alayhim, an'amta alayhim, an'amta alayhim, an'amta alayhim. Let's read the word, the part completely once. Sirat al-Ladhina an'amta alayhim. Sirat al-Ladhina an'amta alayhim. That's it for now. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.